Sumusunod. Eh, kung na naman slow mo. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel, and for those who are new, welcome. And so today we are going to my hair appointment, and as you can see, I just washed my hair with just shampoo because that's what the lady told me to do. So as you can see, my hair is pretty dry. I didn't even comb it. It looks horrendous, guys. Anyways, well, that's the reason why we're going for a hair treatment. So what happened was I went on Facebook, and there's like a Filipino Facebook group here in Melbourne, and this beautiful lady posted something about, you know, hair treatment, you know, haircut, because she's a professional hairdresser. However, she's home based, guys, so it's not that, you know, you're in a salon or something. It's home based, which is fine, you know, there's nothing wrong with that because the service will still be the same. That's why so we are going to Oak Park, guys. It is around 30 minutes drive from here, and as usual, I've got Mimi in the car, my sidekick, yay, and my beautiful girl Paris, who is being silly right at the moment.
Ang ating beautiful sidekick.
Hindi siya beautiful, guys, so I can't say she's beautiful because she's not. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, guys, we'll see you when we get there. So hi guys, we're done now. Have a look at my hair. Wow, so behind this beautiful hair is this beautiful lady. Hi. Shay? So Miss Shay.
Shay.
Yeah.
And then, ang ginawa natin sa hair niya is Brazilian keratin treatment. So, papakita niya mamaya yung before and after procedure.
Yep.
Okay.
And this is the product that she used on my hair, guys. Maybe this way, because yeah, the lighting here is better. So you bought this one in Australia, yeah?
Yeah.
Or you can buy this from the Philippines too.
Dito lang sa Australia.
Australia. Yeah, ang ganda-ganda niya, guys. No? No? Parang baby lang.
Nako.
Baby face. Ayan, si Paris. Yeah. Yeah, it's good, guys, because we have all the facility, you know, TV, toilet, we had coffee too, so, you know, what more can you ask? Hi, guys. So, the moment of truth. This is what my hair looks like right now. Woo! Looks so silky. So, it took, I don't know, maybe 2 hours, Mark?
More than.
Yeah, it took more than 2 hours to do it, and I shouldn't wash it for 3 days. So yeah, I think the process was very similar to rebonding. So, you know, don't wash it for 3 days, don't get it wet, and all that sort of jazz. But yeah, it looks so good. Thank you so much, Ganda Shay. It was so nice meeting you. And also, guys, if you are in Melbourne or in Adelaide, because she's based in Adelaide, so she's just down in Melbourne for I don't know, a quick visit. But she's here until, I don't know, mid-July. So if you are in Melbourne and, you know, you want your hair done, well, she does everything, guys. So like from rebonding, hair treatment, haircut, you know, all the things that hairdressers do, huh? But yeah, hair color too. Yeah, she does that, and yeah, it's pretty good, guys. Have a look at that. If you're going to compare it to before before I went in. Such a big difference, right? I'm so happy with it. I'm satisfied. Thank you so much. So guys, originally I wanted rebonding, but unfortunately I'm not eligible for it because my hair is so dry and they're all dead from the bleach that I don't know, that was a long time ago, I'd say last year, but you know, my hair, the bottom part still bleach, so it's not doable at all. So what we've decided, we're going to do the Brazilian keratin hair treatment, and yeah, this is the result. I'm happy with it. So I'll just wait for my hair to grow longer and then just chop it off and then, you know, start from the top. I think that's the only choice I've got here. Yes, so we are in the car now. We are heading home. Yes, honey, I can hear you. We're going home now. Mama. Yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching today's video. And please like this video if you like it. And yeah, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss a thing from us. And yeah, thank you so much for watching once again. I'm so grateful. And yeah, don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Bye, Mark.
Bye. Bye.
Hello.
Char.
Ay, ko naman na siya, Mak. Ay.
Why?
Ya, ti diri ti bigay na isang lighting. Patalikod. Talikod pag yun. Talikod na.
Talikod.
Ya. Bounce.
Sumusunod. Sagal. Ay, ko na makislow mo. Pak!